I'm Ira Maurer, founder of the Maurer Law Firm, located in Fishkill, New York. Welcome to our website. Our law practice is strictly limited to representing people located in the Northeast region of the United States who've become victims of serious injuries. Since you're watching this video, you or a loved one probably has been involved in an accident, and you're looking for a lawyer to represent you. Chances are you've never sued anyone before and have questions and concerns about the process. At the Maurer Law Firm, it is our belief that every client needs to be thoroughly educated about their claim and the legal process. Every personal injury lawyer should provide you with a free consultation. At the initial meeting, the lawyer should ask questions about the accident and your injuries, attempt to learn as much as possible about you to assist in evaluating your injury claim, explain the legal process, discuss the apparent strengths and weaknesses of your claim, educate you about your injuries, and most importantly, listen to what you have to say. At the free consultation, you have the opportunity to learn about the lawyer's background and experience handling injury claims just like your own. You should not be shy about asking questions, and you should not hire the lawyer unless you feel comfortable with the lawyer and confident that you will be well represented. At the initial consultation, the lawyer also needs to explain how the lawyer will be paid. Most people cannot afford to pay a lawyer on an hourly basis. This is why the legal system permits lawyers to be paid by receiving a percentage of the money that is won on your behalf. This fee arrangement is called a contingency fee. The lawyer only earns the legal fee if the lawyer recovers money for you by way of a settlement or verdict after a trial. The standard legal fee for personal injury cases, excluding medical malpractice claims, is 1/3 of the net sum recovered. Most of the time, personal injury law firms will advance the expenses necessary to prosecute a claim and will be reimbursed for those expenses from the damages recovered before the balance of the money is split between the client and law firm. In other words, if the case is settled for $3,050,000 and the law firm advanced $50,000 to prosecute the claim, the $50,000 is subtracted off the top and returned to the law firm. That's separate and apart from the legal fee. The remaining $3 million is split, with the client receiving $2 million and the law firm receiving $1 million. Once you've decided to hire a lawyer, a written contract known as the retainer agreement will be prepared. This document should clearly spell out in plain language exactly what the lawyer is being hired to do and how the lawyer will be paid. You should never, ever sign a retainer agreement without first reading and understanding every word of the agreement. During the first phase of your claim, you'll likely be going through an extended period of medical treatment. At the same time, your lawyer will be obtaining copies of your medical records from all medical service providers and should be carefully monitoring your medical condition. The lawyer will also be investigating your accident, speaking to witnesses and police officers who may have investigated your accident. An experienced personal injury lawyer should have the ability to explain your injuries to you and should provide guidance, when appropriate, that will help you to make educated decisions about your treatment. Obviously, this should be the treating doctor's job. However, the reality is that many doctors schedule their patient visits in a manner that leaves insufficient time to provide patients with an in-depth explanation of their injuries, leaving patients with unanswered questions and sometimes in a state of confusion and anxiety. Eventually, there will come a time in your medical care when enough is known about your injuries and treatment, as well as the circumstances of your accident, to permit a decision to be made whether it's appropriate to try to negotiate a settlement with the insurance company or start a lawsuit. To obtain a free consultation with the Maurer Law Firm, call 845-896-5295 or visit our website at maurerlaw.net. At the Maurer Law Firm, we treat your personal injuries and the impact they have on you and your families personally as if our own lives depend on it.